Back to Say Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. A silent war between Kazimulo and Mbalenhle Bruce. Will Prince succeed in his attempt to apologize to Madlala? Sbu has an idea on how to save the church from eviction on Tuesday. Nomaswazi makes a shocking discovery while Nkunzi celebrates a great achievement. The same platform that tore Prince and Madlala's love could be the same platform that will repair its mystery. Surround the reason why Sbu has called the church members to a meeting on Wednesday. The one strong connection between two allies is served. Nkazimulo is spooked when an interruption rings at his door. Sbu finally sees a twinkle at the end of a long tunnel on Thursday. Ndlende is yearning for a feminine touch. Ashley will stop at nothing to be Mhlongo Makoti with Kuse on his heels. Mbata makes desperate calls for a call to Uvusi on Friday. Nkunzi is given a few days to talk to his partner before the council takes a wife for him. Sbu gets a call from Pastor Zwane confirming his attendance. Mbata forms an alliance with Nyawo. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.